I just made a full AI music video with 3 characters and I did not record anything. Now take a look at this video.
You're the shadow to my light. We're the perfect light. You've been more bright with a harmony.
Watch me now. I'm coming alive. No face, no rules. I'm owning the vibe. Turn it up. Don't kill my sound. I built this life. Watch me now. Just watch me. I'm coming alive. No face, no rules. I'm owning the vibe. Turn it up. Don't kill my sound. I built this life. Just watch me now.
No camera, no actors, and not even editing apps. Everything you are seeing here was made in one place. This is exactly how people are creating faceless content and they are going viral every single day. Normally, when creating this type of videos, you will need multiple tools. One for characters, one for voice, and one for animations. But I found one AI tool that does everything together. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you exactly how to make money with AI. So why not go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Now go to your Google, search for design AI. Now this is design AI interface. When you look at this place, you see AI image, AI video, motion control, lip sync, which is the hot part of it. All right, so we are going straight to create our images and make it sing and dance. All right, so click on new project. Now go ahead and give your video a project name. You can just tag it singing and dancing animation. Now come to this place and select the aspect ratio. Some people might be asking, can I use my phone to do this? Yes, you can use your phone, but you have to switch your phone to desktop mode. I've done it on phone as well. All right, so just click on apply here. Now come to this place, paste the prompt of your image, paste it here. All right, I'm gonna make my own 3. Now this is where you have to select the AI image model. Which one do you want to use? All the image generation tools are here. You will access them here in design AI. All right, you can see Grok Imagine Pro, you see C Dream. I want to choose C Dream. Now this is the beautiful part of it. You can decide to use the latest AI image generator tool. Is that not amazing? So I'm gonna click on generate here. It doesn't take much seconds, our image will be ready. Now I've gotten exactly what I want. All right, the next thing is to convert it to video, and from video we can now directly lip sync it. All right, but alternatively you can also directly lip sync. Go ahead and click AI video, choose the model. I would want to choose C-Dance 2.0, but you can choose anyone from here. We have Kling, we have VO3, we have many of them. You can have access to this. You don't need to pay for different AI tools just because you are a faceless content creator. Everything you need for your faceless content creation is in this particular website. All right, so I'm gonna use C-Dance 2.0 here. All right, now I'm gonna type what I want it to do, singing and dancing. But for you, you can generate your own prompt and paste here. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put singing and dancing. After I will lip sync it. Now that's perfect. I'm gonna choose 720p here. I'm gonna increase the seconds to 15 seconds. All right, I've increased the pixels 720p. All right, so I'm gonna click on generate here. From here you can see the credit it will cost. Our video will start generating. Now our video is ready. Let me show you.
Hey, I know just what to do. Forsake I get just let just birdies that song it. But comes a lift and they die. We like to hold in hand and show the way we're small.
Now we are going to make it say whatever you want it to say. Click on this lip sync. When you notice here, you will see different boxes that you need to check. And the first one you check comes the first speaker. All right, so I want the lady to be the first speaker, then this guy second, and this guy third. All right, so I'm gonna click on next. Now you can see the editing interface, right? I'm gonna pick a voice. Click on pick a voice. Now this is where you can select the quality. If you want the pro, you can select pro. This is the output quality. I want 1080p. All right, so I'm gonna pick our first speaker, which is a female. I'm gonna pick the voice. Now when you look at this place, you see text to speech, upload audio. You can either generate your own audio here using any of these AI voices. Very beautiful and very clean, sounds like woman. All right, so I'm gonna try the two. I'm gonna use the two in this particular video. So I'm gonna click on upload to upload the voice of the lady. All right, so I'm gonna pick the voice of the male. I'm gonna use James. Okay, I've checked this James voice. It is so nice.
Fear is the mind killer.
I'm gonna click on this place and paste my lyrics. All right, click on generate audio. It doesn't even take 5 seconds. It will just generate. Our audio is ready. Let's allow it to speak.
Watch me now. I'm coming alive. No face, no rules. I'm owning the vibe.
Okay, I'm gonna
Turn it
click
up.
on apply. That's so beautiful. Now I can adjust this to where I want it to start this lyrics. All right, and also adjust this to start from the beginning and push it a bit. So I'm gonna pick a voice here too. I also want to use text to speech. I love their amazing voice, so I'm gonna pick voice from here. Let me check.
All right, lads. Now we got a proper northern accent for you. Not like...
So I'm gonna paste it. This looks like a rap. All right, so click on generate. In less than 5 seconds your audio will be ready. Let's hear it.
Watch me now. I'm coming alive. No face, no rules. I'm owning the vibe. Turn it up. Don't kill my sound. I built this life. Just watch me now.
So I'm gonna click on apply. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this to where I want it to say this. All right, I think I'm okay with here. Okay, that's pretty. So just hit generate here. It will start generating. Now our video is ready. Let's play it.
Watch me now. I'm coming alive. No face, no rules. I'm owning the vibe. Turn it up. Don't kill my sound. I built this life. Watch me now. Just watch me. I'm coming alive. No face, no rules. I'm owning the vibe.
Tell me in the comment section, are you going to use this design AI for your singing and dancing faceless content that can go viral easily? The link will be in the description bar of this video. And please, when you are using it, be more creative. All right, see you next time in my next video. Bye.